Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today on Product Critique,
we're diving into the Hydra Light HC2D replacement Hydra-Cell fuel cell, a standout in the world of portable illumination. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, preparing for emergencies, or just love innovative gadgets, this is one you won't want to miss.
let's explore why the Hydra Light stands out as the best in its category. The Hydra Light HC2D is not your ordinary flashlight.
It utilizes a revolutionary Hydra-Cell technology, offering a 25-year shelf life when stored dry. This means you have a reliable source of light whenever and wherever you need it, without worrying about batteries. Whether you're camping, hiking, or dealing with power outages, the Hydra Light HC2D provides bright, consistent light. It's designed to be your go-to tool in situations where dependable lighting is essential.
Crafted with durability in mind, this Hydra Light is built to withstand the elements. Its sturdy construction ensures longevity and reliability, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who values preparedness.
To wrap it up, the Hydra Light HC2D replacement Hydra-Cell fuel cell is more than just a flashlight. It's a reliable companion in times of need. With its long shelf life and dependable performance, it's no wonder why it's considered the best in its class. Whether you're looking for a tool for your outdoor adventures or preparing for emergencies, this is a product that won't let you down.
Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on innovative products like the Hydra Light HC2D.
stay tuned for more.